Hi guys, welcome to Ava's World, Ava's Wacky World. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade pizza. Remember to ask a grown-up to help you make the pizza dough. So, I've already got mine, but you need to get the sauce ready. So you need chopped up tomatoes, garlic and onion. And then you're supposed to get some orange cheese and some plain cheese. And then you're supposed to get all the toppings you want. And then first you're also supposed to get a blender with some, and now we're gonna put the sauce on. This is heavy though, so remember to ask a grown-up to help you carry it.
Spoon it.
Take that. That's enough, and then just tap the spoon on the sauce, and then spread it around. Also, I've got my mum with me here who is helping me hold the jar. I think we shall put a bit more. I think that's enough. And then just carry on spreading it around until you're done. And I'm going to have plain cheese on my pizza. And now we're going to start putting the cheese on. Just use your hand, crumble it up, then get a handful, sprinkle it around, and then just get a bit more. There we go. And then you have to put the pizza in the oven for 10 minutes. And also, how hot it has to be in the oven is 200 degrees. Bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe.